is 7 and 10. And then which negative sign I should put? It should be here, isn't it? So when they are cross multiply, it will become negative 7x and then 3x. That I mean 10x, I'm sorry. So hey guys, it's Mathematics YT. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve a quadratic equation using several ways. So let's get started. Well, solving quadratic equation, we have three methods. One of them is factorization method. Okay, let's get started. So for solving question A, the first step we need to do is we need to make it in the general form of this. So we know that the general form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we need to make this in form of its general form. So x squared plus 3x is equal to 70. So the general form of this quadratic equation is x squared plus 3x minus 70 is equal to 0. And then the next step of this factorization method is I need to factorize this. So what kind of suitable method? Of course, it's cross multiplication method. So we will factorize this quadratic expression using cross multiplication method. So we draw a table like this and like this, and we write x squared negative 70, and then this is 3x. So x squared comes from x times x, and then 70, we need to think about 70. So it's 7 and 10. And then which negative sign I should put? It should be here, isn't it? So when they are cross multiply, it will become negative 7x and then 3x. That I mean 10x, I'm sorry. So negative 7x plus 10x is equal to 3x. So we have completed the cross multiplication process. So if we write down the expression, we need to write like this. So x minus 7 times x plus 10 is equal to 0. Then we have two possible solutions. One is this and another one is this. So let's say we need to find the solution of this side of this equation. So x minus 7 is equal to 0 over x plus 10, because the relationship in here is multiplication. So to make both sides equal, I need to divide this. To erase this expression out, and as a result, there's a division of the x plus 10 like here. So 0 divided by x plus 10 is still 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. Then if we solve for x, so x is equal to 7, and we have found the first possible solutions for the quadratic equation. And then what about here? So x plus 10 is equal to 0 over x minus 7. Then x plus 10 is equal to 0, because 0 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 0, isn't it? Then we can find for x. So x is equal to negative 10. So the solution for this quadratic equation is x can be equal to 7 and negative 10. Let's solve question number 2. So 2x squared minus 3x is equal to 35. Then what I'm going to first step for this factorization method is we need to make this equation in its general form. So 2x squared minus 3x minus 35 is equal to 0. And then we factorize this whole quadratic expression. So to factorize it down, we use cross multiplication method. So and then since 2 is a prime number, so there's no point for you to guess which number times that number is equal to 2. So we will write as 2x times x, it will become 2x squared. And then 35 we will write as 7 and 5. And then where we put the negative here, so and this cross multiply together becomes 7x negative 10x. So when this thing add together, it will become negative 3x. So we have completed the process of the cross multiplication method for this quadratic expression. Then we are going to write it down in form of like this, just direct. So 2x plus 7 times x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then don't forget we have two possible solutions right here. So let's write that 2x plus 7 is equal to 0, because 0 divided by x minus 5 is equal to 0. So I want to use this method as fast as possible. So 2x is equal to negative 7, which makes the x is equal to negative 7 over 2. We have found the first solution for this quadratic equation. And then what about x minus 5? So we write x minus 5 is equal to 0, because 0 divided by 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. So we will solve for x is equal to 5, and then we have found two possible solutions for x. So x can be equal to 5 and then negative 7 over 2. So guys, I know this is a short video, but don't worry, it's just the first part, because I already said that solving quadratic equation has 3 methods. This is one of them, which is factorization method. In the next part, we will see a lot of drawing, because this method includes drawing. It includes square and rectangle. If you guys know what it is, let me know down in the comments. So thanks for watching. I see you guys in the next part. I see you guys next time in next video.